The next station is Tokyo.
Yeah, girl, it's been a minute since I vibe with you. Conversating, do nothing right with you. Hold me close, so ain't nothing wrong with you. Yeah, we said our vows, I belong to you now. Tired of feeling the feet are right. Party, party, ain't nothing happened now. You're trying to make me feel like I'm a girl, we the same, yeah.
Hey guys, we're back in Tokyo and I realized I didn't get to film an intro for this vlog, so here I am doing a voiceover. But anyway, today is December 31 and we'll be celebrating New Year's here. Later tonight, we'll be going to a family friend's house. Doon na kami magsasalubong with them. Yeah, this trip is chill. Wala naman kaming solid itinerary or anything.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you ask me.
Hello! Pahiram ng bike.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
Day 3 here in Tokyo and it's my brother's birthday. So we took some photos earlier around the area where we're staying at. The trees were so beautiful, the lighting was good. But yeah, right now we're heading to Odaiba. So we've never been to Odaiba before, even though we've been to Tokyo multiple times already. So we're really excited to explore the area. We'll be meeting up with our family friends and I think we're gonna spend the rest of the day there. Hello, good morning. Today is January 3 and it's a free day. We're gonna go to Harajuku and Shibuya. And yeah, it's layering season once again in Japan. My favorite country. I love winter so much.
Shots from me now, just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, shots from me now, just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight.
We wasting ammunition. Deja vu, I knew that you were never mine. So clueless, I guess you would never know.
Currently, I'm in Sekaido, which is a stationery store, and I found out about this last year when someone commented in one of my TikToks saying that Sekaido is a lot cheaper than Itoya. I posted a TikTok kasi about Itoya, which is another stationery store located in Ginza. And yeah, that's why I'm here today. And it's true, mas mura nga dito, mas marami ding items. Pero gets kasi Itoya is literally located in one of the main shopping districts of Tokyo. That's why it's expensive there. Hello! Today is January 5. It's a Sunday. It's our last day in Tokyo kasi tomorrow, January 6, we're going to Hokkaido! My Tokyo vlog and my Hokkaido vlog will be two different videos. But right now, we're just taking pictures. Pa-sunset na kasi. Late na kami nag-start ng day namin kasi we rested muna since it's a Sunday. We have to fix our suitcases pa later pag-uwi kasi maaga yung flight namin tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun week. It's also my birthday week, so I'm really excited. She's turning 24! Feel ko nag-blend ako ngayon sa mga Japanese people. Kasi they always wear black no matter the season. Lagi sila naka-black. Basta pag nasa Japan talaga ako, nag-iiba yung fashion style ko. Tapos nauuwi ko yung style na yun back to Manila. I love this area. Saan ako tatayo?
Oh yes we do. Say you blame it on you, blame it on me. Girl, if it's a problem, I guess we gon' see. Coming like